Hey techies, welcome back in Tech IVP channel. So guys, today we are again going to discuss some amazing stuff about the Java interview questions for the SDET role. So these are very important questions. So today we are going to discuss only one-liner answer, only answer in a one line. So might be this is very helpful for you to crack the interview. So let's see how you have to be answered. But guys, going to before next step, please like, share and subscribe. So the question is, first one is, why string is immutable in Java? String objects are immutable to enhance security, caching, synchronization and performance. So that's why string is immutable in Java. What is static in Java? Static means variable or method belongs to class instead of the instance. What is final in Java? Final is used to declare constant, prevent method overriding and class inheritance. What is this in Java? This refers to the current instance of the class. What is finally and where do we use it? Finally is used in the exception handling to execute code regardless to whether an exception occurs. Okay, finally we have to use with the try catch block. Next question, what is autoboxing and unboxing? Autoboxing convert primitive type to wrapper object and wrapper to primitive type is called unboxing. What is serialization, deserialization? Serialization convert object into the byte stream and byte stream to the object is called deserialization. What is an abstract modifier? Abstract modifier, abstract class method enforcing implementation of subclasses. What is call by reference and call by value? Java use call by value passing copies of the variable rather than the references. Next one, primitive versus non-primitive data type. These are the data types. Is string primitive? Primitive data types have like int, float, char, boolean. These are the non-primitive data types and primitive data types. And non-primitive data type is string array objects. String is non-primitive data types. Okay. The next question is, what is method overloading? The overloading means multiple method with the same name but different parameters in the class. Why override hash code and override equals? To maintain consistency in collections like HashMap and HashSet. What is checked and unchecked exception? Checked exception at a compile time and unchecked exceptions occur at runtime. Checked exceptions are like IO exceptions and unchecked exceptions are like null pointer exceptions. What is the difference between final, finally and finalize? This is really one of the most important question. Final means prevent modification, finally execute exception handling, finalize garbage collector. Abstract versus interface. Abstract classes allow method definition, interface only have method declaration. So abstract class have the concrete method as well as, but in the interface there is no concrete method. So this one is also a difference between abstract and the interface. Next question, what is string builder and string buffer? String buffer thread safe, synchronized, while string builder faster and non-thread safe. Array versus array list. Array has fixed size, array list is a dynamic. Array list versus linked list. Array list is faster for the indexing while linked list is better for frequent insertion and deletion. And guys, if you want to detail on these questions, so in previous video I have already covered everything step by step and detailed answer. So please check out this video, and also I'll share the link in the description. You have to check this video. So there I have to make all the key differences between the array list and the linked list, hash list, hash map, set versus vectors. So all the differences I have to mention that in this video, in that video. Okay. So the next question, how do you define dynamic array? To use array list instead of the array. Can we create an object of an abstract class? No, we cannot create object of a abstract class. Can we create an object of interface? No, we can't create object of the abstract and the interface. Can abstract class have constructor? Yes, it used to initialization. Can a constructor be overloaded? Yes, by using different parameter list. Can main method be overloaded? Yes, but only public static void main run by default. Can the main method be overridden? No, because it is static. Can override a static method? No, static method belongs to the class. No, not instance. Can we overload a static method? Yes, by changing the parameters. Can we write non-abstract method in an interface? Yes, by using default and static methods. And in the Java 8+, this one is possible. Can a Java program run without the main method? Yes, before Java 7 using static block, but not in the later version. Next question, can a non-static variable be accessed in static method? No, unless accessed through the instance. Can multiple catch block exist without a try block? No. Without try we can't use a catch block. How to achieve serialization, deserialization? To achieve serialization, deserialization, we can use object output stream and object input stream. What happens if main is private? It compiles but fails at the runtime. How to check if an array is empty or null? So in that case, we can use the if condition. In the if, we have to provide array equals to null, and we have to find the length is equal to 0 or not. What are the classes in the list interface? The classes in the list interface are array list, linked list, vector, and the stack. What is the use of constructor? Initialize an object when created. What is HashMap? Can we store object? HashMap store key value pair. Object can be stored as a value. HashMap versus HashSet. HashMap store key value pair. HashSet store only unique value. Where did you see HashMap in your project? So this one is a most of the time interviewer asks to use automation framework for storing data, test data. Access modifier and scope. So access modifier and scopes are the private, default, protected, public. These are the modifiers and scopes. What is thread? Thread a lightweight process for the multitasking. What is a singleton class? It is a design pattern, a class that allow only one instance. Static binding versus dynamic binding. Static binding means compile time binding, compile time method overloading. Dynamic binding means runtime method overriding. This is called polymorphism. These are the type of the polymorphism, and polymorphism means to do a task in multiple ways. Okay. Next question, is HashMap thread safe? No. Use concurrent HashMap for the thread safety only. How to set a static value? To set a static value, we can use class name dot variable name equals to the value. Can private method be overloaded? Yes, in the same class. Can a final class extended? No. Final class cannot be extended because we are using the word final. Word, it's not a word, it's a keyword. Can a static method be overridden? No, it belongs to the class. Can we overload the main method? Yes, with the different parameters. Can an interface have variable? Yes, but they are public static final by default. Why is multiple inheritance not supported? To avoid diamond problem. In Java we have a diamond problem, so that's why multiple inheritance is not supported in the Java. To overcome this problem, we have used collections. Okay. Exception hierarchy in Java. Throwable exception and runtime exceptions. Explain set and map in Java. Set unique element, map key value pair. Explain inheritance. Acquiring property of parent class to child class is called inheritance. Overloading versus overriding. Overloading means same method name, different parameters. Overriding regarding parent method in the child class. Next, encapsulation versus abstraction. Encapsulation means data hiding. Abstraction means hiding implemented detail. Throw versus throws. Throw used inside the method. Throws declare exception a method might throw. Polymorphism in Java, ability to take multiple forms. So polymorphism means we can do a task in multiple ways, and there are two types of method overloading and method overriding. So I hope guys this video is really helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe to get more amazing content. Thank you. Have a nice day.